Good morning, good morning. Wake up, everybody, wake up, everybody. Have you had your tasty toast this morning? Good for you. And now from... Don't touch that dial. And now for our morning exercises. Open those windows, take a deep breath.
Hey, Bert! Hey, Bert! Hey, Bert! Hey, on your toes, boy. We gotta get a 70 spy. Come on, we're tracking down and tossing the Quake. Come on, let's go. Come on, Bert, hurry up. Have you seen a spy around here?
Does he look like this?
Yeah, that's him.
No, I have not seen him. Now at 3 o'clock, more things time. Kabloom!
Hey, you. Come on. I bet you're not old.
Well, I'm not so sure that you're Porky Pig either. There's your license. Can't you see the white line? There's the fire. Move along, I'll run you in, Bob.
You know, I'm really getting suspicious of that guy.
Yeah, Pig, it is 1 minute to 3. Do you see that little bag?
You mean that one?
Yeah, at exactly 3 o'clock, that little... Yeah! Yeah.
You know, that guy sure indeed does act suspicious. And that thing ticks just like a bomb! Yeah, that's all right. That's just my little heart.
Yeah.